Hi guys. All right, so if you're wondering where I am, Keith and I are at Buck's Pocket. It's a state park here in Alabama near where we live, and so we thought we would just take a walk 1.1 mile up that trail and 1.1 miles back. And Keith wanted to make a video, so I thought, why don't I make a video and take you guys along with us and show you some of the scenery. It's all uphill, you guys. We don't have a walking stick. There Keith is getting some B-roll for his video. Hey Keith,
yeah.
Didn't you say there's a Louis Vuitton at the end of this trail?
There is.
Oh good. I'm so excited. Every step gets me a little bit closer. At least these hiking boots have come to good use. We're going all uphill, you guys. 1.1 miles uphill. I heard something. What was that? Was it a gunshot? Oh my gosh, what is that? I'm pretending to have a good time, you guys. Oh my gosh, he almost tripped. There's the road. We're really not far off the road. There's a big rock. That's exciting. Ooh. Lions and tigers and bears. Oh my. Lions and tigers and bear. Oh my. Lions and tigers and bear. Oh my. Lions and tigers and bears. Oh my. Are we getting close to a creek? Are we getting close to the creek? Okay.
We'll go out there and get some B-roll.
Okay. Okay, you guys, while he's getting some B-roll, I will take this opportunity to show you my bag of the day. It is nothing other than good old saggy balls. Oh my gosh, Keith just fell. Keith, are you okay? Wave at me. You okay?
Yeah.
Keith just wiped out. Be careful. Okay, as I was saying, I keep saggy balls around for times like this. Good old saggy balls USA. Got my water in there, my identification in case I'm mauled and they find my corpse out here. Yeah, you know, so they can identify me. Other things, I have my Hermes lipstick. I did have on red lipstick, but there's no need to touch up out here, is there? But anyway, yeah, saggy balls. That is why I keep saggy balls. I mean, she doesn't look like much, but you know, she's a real trooper for times like this. Okay, I'm gonna tell you guys why I put up with this kind of stuff, okay? Since Keith's way over there. I do things, you know, in marriage, you have to give and take. And so, really what I'm doing here today is giving. I am giving in to Keith and his nature, love of nature and hiking. And I'm going hiking out here because, you know, it just wouldn't be right because he goes with me shopping. So we just give and take. And that is the key to a successful marriage. Just give and take. If that means that I have to come out here and risk my life in the woods, so be it. I will do it. I will do it for the sake of our marriage. My outfit of the day is a tank top, a pair of shorts, and hiking shoes, and good old saggy balls. Everybody needs a bag, you know, like this, that they can just throw around when they go places like this. This is a really scary looking view. Okay, look at this view. Very scary looking. Big giant rocks. Oh my gosh. I mean, honestly, you guys, I just don't understand people who love to get out in nature and be one with nature. I don't get it. Here comes Keith. I'm going to act happy again. Okay. Come on, Keith. I should have put bug spray on my face. What's that? That looks like a booby trap. Okay.
Booby trap.
Yeah, that's what it looked like. Whew. I'm probably gonna get a big bad case of poison oak. Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. All uphill, you guys. Good for the legs. Good for the legs. He owes me. This is rough, you guys. This is a real nature trail. Look how bad I'm sweating. I'm soaked in sweat, my whole body. Oh my goodness. I'm so out of shape, but I like it that way. If this is what it takes to get in shape. I don't want to be in shape. If loving you is wrong, I don't want to be right. That's what Winnie would bust out singing at a time like this. I'd like to see Winnie and Autumn out here. I don't think they could do it. Yeah. Whew. No, I know. I just walked through a spider web. Ah! I can't wait to get to the Louis Vuitton store. Oh. We'll just get my feet from behind walking.
Got that sheet of paper.
Keith lost his sheet of paper. Tell what you were going to do, Keith.
I had a list of epic shots that I was going to do.
Yeah.
And now I lost my piece of paper.
I think it's when you wiped out back there. I haven't wiped out yet, but you have.
Yep.
Oh man, I just walked through spider webs. Whew. Ooh, again. Ew. Spider webs everywhere. Keith!
What was that?
Was it a bear?
Sounded like it.
Oh my gosh. What was that? I heard something.
I thought it was a bear.
made it across that. Okay, I am on a cliff, mid-heart attack, sweating profusely. I can't breathe, you guys. And Keith says we have to come back. Okay. Oh, boy, this is rough. I'm gonna lose like 20 pounds. That'll be good. That'd be good. Okay. Yeah. Oh, you guys. Oh. Ah! Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay.
You're recording.
Yes, I'm recording. This is the real deal right here. This is, my feet are slipping down this hill. Okay. Oh, okay. Ah, okay. Woo, doggy. Woo, doggy. I can't even believe I'm doing this. There's some mushrooms. Should I get one and eat it and see what happens?
Sure.
Okay. Woo, okay. Okay, I just have to stand here a minute, you guys. Look at the sweat dripping off of my body. Oh God, and he's going. He's still going. How much longer to the Louis Vuitton store?
I don't know.
You know what? I know he has lied to me. He said it was 1.1 miles. It's probably like 3.3 miles or something. Because he lies like that. This being one with nature is bullshit. Woo! Oh, I almost tripped again. Yes! Putting it in my video. That's how I feel. Look at me. Have you guys ever seen me so sweaty? Oh, people do though. Interesting. Very interesting. What is that?
There's a waterfall down there.
Yeah? I hear it.
Let's go check out the waterfall.
Okay. What do you have to say, Keith?
What do you want me to say?
Say waterfall.
Waterfall.
Okay, we're gonna do a selfie now.
I don't think they have enough time. We can go back again. Now that we know
Oh, that's pretty, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so wait. So I have all my subscribers, Keith, so they are gonna know who said to go back. Now, whose idea was it to go back before we go to the top? Keith? Whose idea? Keith!
Yeah.
Whose idea was it to go back?
Yours?
That is a lie. Ooh, that water looks refreshing. I would love to be inside that water right about now. We are going to go back. Be honest, Keith. Whose idea? Look how sweaty I am. So we made it to the waterfall, but we didn't make it to the very top because we're afraid it's going to start getting dark. So, peace out.